this is our first conversation, so I would like to know from your brief introduction.
Yeah, definitely. Sure, I want to give you my introduction. As you know, my name is Mantu and I am from Odisha Kalahandi. I have done my graduation in arts and right now I am preparing for competitive exams. And as far as my hobbies are concerned, like playing cricket, and I like reading books, and whenever I get times, at that time I watch movies. So this is also part of my hobbies.
Okay, nice. So, which kind of books you
Yeah,
like?
actually,
And
I read storybook.
storybook. So, could you tell me that which one is your favorite story till now?
Yeah, I am reading the Think Like a Monk. The
Think like a.
author of that book is Jay Shetty. You have most heard about you must have heard about that name, Jay
Oh,
Shetty.
yeah, nice. So,
So, and
yeah.
I would like to have your introduction. Could you please introduce yourself?
Okay, why not? Sure. So, as you know, I am Sikha Singh and I'm from UP. And I have completed my graduation. And a part of graduation, I also done diploma in education. So, my hobbies are dancing and reading books like motivational books. And right now, I'm working as a primary teacher. So, that's all in a brief.
So, dancing is your one of hobbies.
Yes, one of
What type of dance do you like to do?
just Bollywood dance. Not a particular. Yeah, if you talk me that like which kind of dance you prefer if you will get chance. So yeah, I like belly dance. But which kind of dance that I'm doing right now? So that is only Bollywood songs and their dance.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
you are a belly dancer, right?
No. I am saying that I am a Bollywood dancer and a fan also, but I like belly dance as well. So yeah,
Yeah.
in future if I will get
Like,
chance, so then definitely I will try it for it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
I got you much.
okay. So
And
can you
how
please
is it right now in UP?
pardon? Could you repeat?
How is weather condition in UP right now?
So it is pleasant weather and it has been raining for the last 3 days and it is drizzling and still it's a
Okay.
drizzling. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
in my area also it is drizzling because
yeah.
monsoon has approached, so that's why low pressure.
Yeah, but yeah, we can enjoy because rainy season and we like. I think most of the people like it.
Yeah. Have you ever been to any part of India apart from your UP?
Yes, I have been. So like that, one of this Uttarakhand and the next Nasik and also Jaipur. That is, Rajasthan. So and Jammu and Kashmir. That is, I had visited only for a holistic place that is Vaishno Devi. So for that.
Okay. So you have gone Uttarakhand.
Yes. I had been there, and that was also my holistic trip for because for Char Dham Yatra. So for that I was there.
So you have completed Char Dham Yatra.
Yes, I had completed.
Have you ever been to Puri, Odisha? It is also one of the dham among four dhams.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't. And yeah, my parents was there, but I didn't.
Okay. Puri is also one dham among four dhams.
Yes. Yeah. But I'm not saying like this. I'm saying that in Uttarakhand there is four dham like Gangotri, Yamunotri, and Kedarnath and Badrinath. So that was my trip for that.
Yeah.
Yes, I had visited. Okay. Okay. So you are preparing for a competitive exam, na? So which kind of which one you prefer that you like to become?
Actually, I am preparing for a SSC CGL. You must have heard about the CGL, combined graduate level and state government exam as well.
Yeah. I know one of my cousin also preparing for that SSC
Yeah.
CGL. Yeah. Okay.
So so have you taken any subscription from Clappingo or Camly to
Yes,
improve your?
recently. Yeah, recently I had. So I have been over there, and that is subscription for 6 months. And in this 6 month, I will get one session in a week, and that session only for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So tell me after taking classes from the Clappingo, how do you feel?
Okay. So just yesterday I had taken one class, so that was fantastic. And I think I also had taken earlier one two to three classes. Means so over there also I had find their tutor all nice. They are talking to you like politely and just like a familiar. So it is quite easy to you talk with them and just communicate. And they also rectify you if you are doing some mistakes on and all.
Yeah.
Yes. So, yeah, tell me, do you ever subscribe?
No, I haven't subscribed, but I have taken 3 or 4 demo classes from Clappingo, but I have
Oh,
not taken. Upcoming day I will take.
okay. So, are you planning for that?
Sorry, pardon, please.
Yeah, I'm saying, are you planning for subscribe?
Yeah.
Oh,
And you are also running a YouTube channel, right? So
yes.
hello, what's
Yeah,
your
right.
channel? What's your channel name? Channel
Yeah.
name.
Okay, so my channel name English with Sikha Singh.
English. Just send me the link after this conversation.
Yeah, sure, why not? Okay.
So
So,
now
how?
you are going, yeah, whenever you are going to duty on in school, so you are going by wearing your normal dress.
Yeah, casual dress means a suit that is allowed here, and rather than suit and sari, and not the other. You know.
So how much time will be there? Will you be
Mhm.
there? How much time will you be there in school?
We have been here for 6 hours.
6 hours. Okay.
For 6 hours.
10 to.
No, from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. right now, but it will change in the winter season.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And do
Okay.
you have any question for me?
Yeah. Yeah, I was about to say like how's COVID situation right now? Is it okay? Everything
Yeah, is
over
it
there?
okay? Is it okay? And all school institution has been reopened. Yeah.
Okay. Because yeah, we have heard some news from Kerala, so the situation isn't good, I think, over there,
Yeah.
and
Careless.
third wave
Yes.
becoming. So that's why I asked this question.
Okay. So how many languages do you speak? You can speak how many?
Oh,
Your
but
native language is Hindi.
my native language is Hindi, and my mother tongue is Hindi. So rather than Hindi, just English is my second language that I know. And
Yeah.
yeah, little bit I can say I can understand about Urdu. I can understand, but I can't, write. So why
Yeah.
should I say that I know? If I'm saying that which language that I know, so this is English and Hindi, only two.
Yeah.
And you? What about you?
Yeah, actually, my native language is Odia, but yeah, I can speak Hindi as well. Yeah, I can speak Hindi very fluently and
Yes.
a little bit English.
Yeah, I'm just why not? So you can say you know three language, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
right.
you are also you are also a multilingual person.
No, not I am not multi-language. It is only two. So why I say that?
Okay, okay. Hindi and English.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Only
yeah.
two.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, bilingual. I can say that, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
And nothing.
So whenever you will get chance, come to visit to Odisha, and you know Odisha is a best place.
Yeah,
One of
yeah.
you know,
Yes,
and our capital Bhubaneswar is the number one smart city in India.
yes. I know. What is? Yeah, let's see when I will be over there.
Yeah, yeah.